How to manage your political views on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open a VK and now click on your profile in the top corner and click these 3 points and then click edit profile. Now scroll down and then click beliefs. Here is it, and here we'll find political views. Click on it and select anything you want here and click save. If you want to save it, just click this icon in the top corner, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.